L-Unjoni Ewropea taħt il-kappa tal-Presidenza Maltija qed iżżomm kelmtha li se tkun iktar solidari. Din id-darba fl-iffirmar ta' politika komuni għall-iżvilupp ta' pajjiżi terzi fosthom fil-kontinent Afrikan u fl-Amerika Latina. Il-Prim Ministru Malti Joseph Muscat kien fost dawk li firma f'isem il-Kunsill tal-Ministri u fakkar kif din il-politika kienet u għadha priorità tal-Presidenza Maltija. Dan 11-il sena wara li kien iffirmat l-aħħar dokument ta' dan it-tip.
What needed to be said has been said. Many things need to be done now. May I bring to your attention just a couple of facts. The first is that we're using the word consensus, and believe you me, within the intricacies of our wonderful European project, achieving consensus is not the simplest of things. Nevertheless, I do believe that the fact that all institutions and all member states have agreed on what is arguably a very ambitious agenda on development and development aid speaks volumes on the way in which Europe is positioning itself and in the way in which Europe sees itself and its role within the world. I disagree with those who say that Europe can be a world leader. Europe is a world leader, and I do believe that today this is a vivid demonstration of what Europe can achieve.
Il-President tal-Parlament Ewropew Antonio Tajani qal li din hija l-ewwel darba fl-istorja li din il-politika għal żvilupp se tapplika għal kull istituzzjoni u kull stat membru tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Madankollu iż-żewġ prijoritajiet se jibqgħu id-daqqa tal-mewt lil faqar u żvilupp sostenibbli konkret. Fl-istess ħin il-kunsens politiku se jissaħħaħ id-drittijiet tal-bniedem, il-paċi u d-demokrazija fost oħrajn. Fakkar ukoll fl-importanza tas-sigurtà fid-dawl ta' iktar attakki terroristiċi riċenti fl-Ewropa. Tkellmet ukoll ir-rappreżentant għoli fl-Unjoni Ewropea għas-Sigurtà u Affarijiet Barranin Federica Mogherini li wissiet dwar il-bżonn ta' bidla anke fil-mod kif l-Ewropa timxi fi żminijiet tant kruċjali.
We always refer to Europe as the North and Africa as the South. Well, currently, the presidency of the European Union is in a place that is south of some of the Northern African countries. Malta is south of Tunisia, if I'm not wrong, and south of a few other Northern African capitals. This to say that sometimes we perceive ourselves in roles that bind us to a little bit limited approaches. And when we see where reality is, like Malta offers us the opportunity to do, we realize that what we need is really moving from the typical development cooperation approach to what we're doing today with the consensus, which is building true partnerships.
Fuq kollox il-mexxejja li tkellmu fi Brussell deru rashom mistrieħa li kien Joseph Muscat li firma f'isem il-Ministri Ewropej u f'isem Malta wara r-rebħa storika li kiseb fl-elezzjoni ġenerali li għaddiet.
Monsieur le Premier ministre de la République de Malte, congratulations for your success last Sunday. Good news.
Dear Prime Minister Muscat, very good results. You are another time Prime Minister of your country. Good luck.
The Prime Minister of Malta that just recently was re-elected wonderfully in his new role.